Effective ways to find a dermatologist in Woodlands for your skincare needs. If you're in need of skincare treatment, it's important to find the best skin specialist available. Your skin, hair, and nails are assets to one's body, and having them in great condition can really help one's appearance. To find a fantastic dermatopathology professional, check out some of the suggested methods provided here. When you have a skin specialist in mind, look online for reviews from current and former patients, because their experiences, skincare services, and disease treatment opinions can really assist you in making an informed decision. When you become a new patient anywhere, you will probably have to fill out information at the reception's desk to help them understand your insurance coverage and medical background. When transferring to a new medical professional, make sure the staff handles your medical files well and transfers them correctly, which will make sure that your new skin specialist's office will be able to care for you effectively. You should make sure that your first consultation is longer than the usual appointment, in order for you to have the ability to give all the right info about your condition that can help the medical professional treat you and provide you the best quality care. Also, take your insurance information with you during your doctor's visit, to leave copies with the healthcare provider. Most people want skin specialists to be insightful, skilled, experienced, and well-behaved. The age of the skin specialist matters a lot to some of the patients. Despite skin specialists who are more senior are typically well respected for their years of practice and knowledge, they might not always be up to date with newer technological advances that are available to them. This is opposed to the case with younger skin specialists, as they are going to always remain updated with technology and dermatology services. Keep a close watch on how medical personnel members as they treat patients. An effectively ran office will result in better personal care. Personnel members who are smiling and appear to be will show a sign of high morale will more likely happen as the physician is a quality caretaker. You may even get a chance to see high-quality management skills, which could be a sign of high-quality care. Health professionals may consult with you over the phone if you're attempting to find a new primary care skin specialist. Remain calm during the very first call, and you should have the ability to fairly accurately assess whether the skin specialist is the best choice for you. Schedule a phone call with the Woodlands skin specialist by speaking with the front desk operator and asking for a phone consultation. This is one of the very best methods to gain a lot of useful information about the new skin specialist and his/her staff. It's important to find the Woodlands dermatologist who has received their education from a reputable university. You could also want to know how far they went with their schooling. Take your time to walk around his office and note the diplomas and other certificates on the walls. You can then research their schools and their practice with this information. Get a grasp on finding a good dermatologist in Woodlands by reading these tips. Finding an excellent skin specialist in the Woodlands will probably be an incredibly challenging and important process. There are so many pieces of info to take into account when seeking a skin specialist. Some people even get referred by a family medicine doctor. Being offered treatment is a preventive approach that has many benefits to your overall health. Use these techniques and pointers to start an effective search for your skin specialist. Being open to your medical practitioner and disclosing all the relevant information to him is extremely important to your treatment. See to it you make your needs known so that they can properly treat you. You need to listen to their directions and follow orders to get healthy. You must agree to the treatment plan and willingly follow it in order for it to be successful. Excellent listening skills and a caring way are distinguishing characteristics of a reputable The Woodlands dermatologist. Whenever a skin specialist just isn't interested in just making a ton of cash, he or she is one of excellence who you can rely on to really solve problems and run an organized practice. If you have even an inkling that money is more important to your acne doctor than patient care is, you should be looking for another skin doctor in the Woodlands. You should stay loyal to a skin specialist who truly cares about you as a patient though. When selecting a skin specialist, you should look into their dermatopathology, immunodermatology history. Although many delays are possible, you can get to your office on public transport in most big cities. Scheduling an appointment in a rural area can be just as troublesome. If you already have a skin specialist, be sure not to rush into finding a new one without first thinking through all the pros and cons. If you're looking for a new medical professional, consider asking potential candidates to do a quick over-the-phone consultation. Remain calm during the first call, and you should have the ability to fairly accurately assess whether this medical professional is possibly the best choice for you. Schedule a phone consultation by scheduling one with a skin specialist's front desk receptionist. You can find out practical info by talking to not only the medical professional but also to personnel. As a new patient, before seeing your medical professional, you will most likely need to fill out paperwork related to your insurance coverage and medical background. Have as much of your medical history forwarded to your new skin specialist's office so they can be best suited to take care of what you need. Make sure you book an extended appointment to have enough time to talk with your skin specialist. After you bring all the relevant information, leave the office with copies of the documents. Nearest zip codes: 77,381, Spring, Texas. 77,389, Spring, Texas. 77,380, Spring, Texas. 77,382, Spring, Texas. 77,384, Conroe, Texas. 77,385, Conroe, Texas. 77,375, Tomball, Texas. 77,388, Spring, Texas. 77,354, Magnolia, Texas. 77,379, Spring, Texas. 77,373, Spring, Texas. 77,304, Conroe, Texas. 77,068, Houston, Texas. 77,386, Spring, Texas. 77,301, Conroe, Texas.